This is a 2002 Ford Taurus. This four-door sedan has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, cruise control, a CD player, a 4-wheel independent suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a multi-function display, and this vehicle has less than 72,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Jersey City Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 740 Route 440 South in Jersey City.